As per tradition, let us commence with the lamp lighting ceremony. We invite our dignitaries to illuminate the lamp, marking the beginning of this enlightening session. With the lamp lit and the hall graced by the aura of knowledge, we invite our dignitaries to take their seats on the dais.
With utmost honor, we now invite our dignitaries to accept the felicitation, a gesture of our respect and recognition. I respectfully invite Principal Dr. Mahadev Ghavane Sir to kindly felicitate our chairperson, Shri B.B. Thombe Sir, Secretary Shiv Chhatrapati Shikshan Sanstha, Latur. Thank you, sir. Now, I invite Shri B.B. Thombe Sir to felicitate today's inaugurator and resource person, Professor Jnaneshwar Pawar Sir, Officiate Registrar, Swami Ramananda Tirtham, Marathwada University, Nanded. Now, I invite convener of this conference, Dr. Abhijit Yadav Sir, to kindly felicitate.
Now I request Dr. Abhijit Yadav Sir, the convener of this conference and head of Physics and Electronics Department and IQAC coordinator, to deliver the concept note.
Good morning to everyone. Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, our Honorable Chairperson, Shri Thombe Sahib, the Secretary, Shri Chhatrapati Shikshan Sanstha, Latur, our esteemed inaugurator and the officiating registrar of Swami Ramananda Tirtham, Marathwada University, Nanded, Senior Professor, Professor Jnaneshwar Pawar Sir, our Chief Organizer and Mentor, Principal Dr. Mahadev Ghavane Sir, Joint Organizer and PM Nisha Coordinator, Vice Principal Professor Sadashiv Shinde Sir, Co-Convener and Head of the Department of Mathematics, Lieutenant Dr. Mahesh Wabre Sir, Organizing Secretary and Head of the Department of Computer Science, Dr. Renu Kalunte Madam, the Joint Secretary for this conference, Dr. Vishan Pimple Sir, all the Sanstha members, invitees, resource persons, teacher participants from different colleges, research scholars, delegates, and ladies and gentlemen. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all to this premier event. Sponsored under Pradhan Mantri Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan grant to strengthen colleges scheme. Friends, for bringing the innovations in teaching and research, thereby improving educational standards, the higher educational institutes must engage, collaborate, and partner with the institutes of high repute in the rest of the world. The conferences, seminars, workshops, and faculty development programs play a vital and key role in this direction. It is a matter of great pride to share that our parent body, Shri Chhatrapati Shikshan Sanstha, recognizes the profound significance of these academic gatherings and consistently motivate us to organize conferences and workshops. The International Conference on Developments in Physical Sciences, Mathematical Sciences, and Computational Sciences is designed to bring together researchers, academicians, and industry professionals to discuss the latest trends in physics, applied mathematics, and computational sciences. Our aim is to foster interdisciplinary collaboration by showcasing recent developments in the areas like material science, nanotechnology, mathematical modeling, computational algorithm, data-driven solutions. The participants will have an opportunity to engage in keynote lectures by renowned experts as well as paper and poster presentations covering a broad spectrum of applied sciences. We are particularly honored to host a stellar lineup of resource persons joining us from across the globe. Today, we have as a keynote speaker Dr. Naneshwar Pawar sir, Registrar of our parent university. In the second session, we have Professor Dr. Ramesh Manza sir from our Department of Computer Science and Information Technology, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. We have Dr. Pramod Vatekar, lead National Quantum Mission, a collaborative initiative of IIT Kharagpur, IIT Roorkee, IIT Bombay, and IIT Bhubaneswar. Tomorrow we have Dr. Piyush Shroff, Professor of Instruction at Texas University, USA. Dr. Sachin Palekar from University of Hyderabad, and then we have Professor Rajaram Mane from Swami Ramanand Tirtha Marathwada University, Nanded. Our institution, recently recognized with empowered autonomous status, has a long-standing tradition of pursuing excellence. This conference is a testament to that mission, aiming to foster collaboration in diverse areas ranging from nanotechnology and semiconductor devices to cryptography and artificial intelligence. To our delegates and research scholars, your active participation is what makes such gatherings meaningful. We hope these 2 days provide you the valuable insights, productive networking opportunities, and please stay here in Latur. Once again, a very hearty welcome to you all. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. Now I want our principal, Dr. Mahadev Gawani sir, to give welcome address.
राजर्षि शौर्य महाविद्यालय empowered autonomous institution Latur. We organized the International Conference on Development in Physical Sciences, Mathematical Sciences and Computational Sciences. Chairperson of the inauguration ceremony, respected Honorable B.B. Thomre Sahib, Secretary Shri Chhatrapati Shikshan Sanstha Latur. Distinguished keynote speaker Dr. B.B. Pawar sir, in charge Registrar Swami Ramanand Tirtha Marathwada University, Nanded. Convener Dr. Abhijit Yadav sir, Vice Principal of our college Professor Sudhashiv Shinde sir, Aya COE Dr. Om Prakash Shahpurkar sir, other conveners Dr. Mahesh Bhavre sir, Dr. Renupal Munde madam, Dr. Pimpre sir, my friend Shekhe sir, eminent scientists, academicians, industry experts, esteemed members of the advisory board, organizing committee, distinguished delegates, respected faculty members, research scholars and dear students. Good morning to everyone. It gives me immense pleasure and great honor to welcome you all. The International Conference on Developments in Physical Sciences, Mathematical Sciences and Computational Sciences, organized by Department of Physics, Mathematics and Computer Science of Rajarshi Shahu Mahavidyalaya on 16 and 17 March 2026. On the behalf of Shri Chhatrapati Shikshan Sanstha and Rajarshi Shahu Mahavidyalaya, I extend my warm and heartfelt welcome to all the distinguished guests, eminent scientists, academicians, industry experts and participants who have joined us from different parts of India. We are profoundly grateful to PM Usha and Musa for their immense trust in Rajarshi Shahu Mahavidyalaya. The allocation of the 5 crore rupees fund under the PM Usha scheme is a testament to our institution's standing, and we are committed to utilizing these resources to further the cause of academic excellence. As I welcome you today, I feel it's my duty to briefly share the inspiring journey of this institution. Rajarshi Shahu Mahavidyalaya, now an autonomous, known for its excellence in education, started in a warehouse only with 50 students about half a century ago. This college paved and created its own education pattern, which is popularly known as Latur pattern. Our founder management members believed that education only made change in the lives of the rural and downtrodden students. With the mission, pursuit of excellence, this college plans, implements and strives to achieve excellence in every sphere of education. To make my point clear, I just put the achievement of our institute. Every year, more than 800 students in medical colleges, more than 50 students in AIDS, more than 55 students in NIT and IITs got admission. Our college is the only one college in India that is credited for maximum entries in medical and engineering colleges. In the HSC board result, as well as in the university result, we have shown our academic excellence every year. UGC accredited our college A grade 3 times. UGC also has given us college with potential for excellence status. With these landmark achievements, we become the first autonomous college in entire Marathwada region since 2013-14. Under the autonomy, along with curriculum, we have a privilege to focus on overall development of students and their placement. We have an active placement cell, through which every year more than 300 students got Best Educational Institution Award. The government also adopted the Shahu pattern as the state policy of education for schools and colleges. Yashwantral Chavan Open University Nashik awarded Best College Award. Our parent university also honored us with Best College Award 2 times. Education World India Autonomous College ranking has placed us at position 92nd rank overall India. The best higher education institute in Maharashtra awarded by Oxis Media, New Delhi. Academic Excellence Award in Higher Education awarded by Top Gallant Media, New Delhi. Prestigious, we received NAC A+ grade with CGPA 3.49, making us the top ranked college in our university and second in all of Maharashtra. Another one proud achievement of our college is every year our faculty and students selected for INSA Summer Research Fellowship. With this academic achievement, our students also proved their excellence in NSS, NCC, sports and culture. We bag various prestigious awards and trophies in these activities. Here I mention the achievement of sports that our students represented India in baseball and international tournament in China, South Korea, Taiwan and Mongolia. This spirit of excellence extends to our alumni who are making their mark globally, including our one alumni, Joy Katti, a partner at a Microsoft company in USA, and numerous others serving as IAS, IPS, judges and high-ranking officials. Our one alumni, Santosh Narwade, worked as a part of research team at Serum Institute of India, responsible for developing Covishield vaccine. The COVID-19 vaccine that we all received during the pandemic. These achievements are testament to the Latur pattern and the unwavering dedication of our faculty, staff and students. The credit of this legacy of excellence belongs to every member of Samstha and Rajeshi Shaw Mahavidyalaya community. In this era of globalization, collaborative venture are in need of time. In this respect, we take initiative and we have a functional MOUs with Delhi University, France, NCL, Pune, Macmillan, Symbiosis, IIT Bombay, ICDPSMSCS Hyderabad, and MSFDA, etc. Journey of success can be figured out as started with only 50 students, which goes to 11,000 students at present. We have 10 UG program, 14 PG program, and 11 research centers recognized by our parent university and skill-based 52 certificate courses. We are fortunate to gain the trust of students and their parents. I think this is the greatest achievement of our college. During the next 2 days, we will have the privilege of listening to eminent national and international experts through keynote lectures, inviting talks, and technical sessions. This interaction will not only enhance our understanding of recent scientific development, but will also inspire young researchers to pursue innovative research in physical sciences. I take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to management of Shri Chhatrapati Shikshan Samstha, especially Honorable Secretary B.B. Thomre Sahib, President of this Shri Chhatrapati Shikshan Samstha, Dr. Gopalji Patil Sahib, Aniruddha Jadhav sir, and P.R. Deshmukh sir, and all Samstha members for their continuous encouragement and support. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to all resource persons for his valuable guidance and support in promoting academic excellence and research development. My sincere appreciation goes to conveners Dr. Yadav sir, Dr. Babre sir, and Dr. Lunde madam and Pipre sir, the organizing committee members, faculty colleagues, research scholars, and students volunteers whose dedication and teamwork have made the international conference possible. As we begin this conference, let us remember the science progress not only through experiment and discovery, but through dialogue, collaboration, and shared vision. When researchers from diverse disciplines and nations come together, they create possibilities that extend far beyond the boundaries and laboratories and institutions. I sincerely hope that the discussion, idea, and collaboration that emerge from International Conference of Developments in Physical Sciences, Mathematical Sciences, and Computational Sciences will contribute meaningful to achievement, advancement of physical sciences for the benefit of humanity. Let us conference be not just the gathering of scholars, but a catalyst for innovation, collaboration, and scientific progress. Once again, I warmly welcome all the distinguished participants and wish the conference great success with productivity, deliberation, and inspiring scientific interaction. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the warm welcome. Now, may I request our honorable guest?
आमच्या या महाविद्यालयाचे एक प्राध्यापक जे फिजिक्स डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये काम करत होते आणि त्यांचं दुःखद निधन झालेलं आहे. त्याबद्दल मी आपल्या सगळ्यांना विनंती करतो की आपण त्यांना एक भावपूर्ण श्रद्धांजली म्हणून आपण 2 मिनिट स्तब्ध करूया. Thank you.
May I request our honorable guest to unwind the book cover? I humbly request our respected dignitaries for book cover launch ceremony. Let us welcome this proud moment with a big round of applause. Thank you, all respected dignitaries. Now I request Dr. Mahesh Wavre sir, co-convener and head of Mathematics Department, to introduce our today's inaugurator and resource person.
Very good morning to all of you. Respected Chairperson of this inaugural session and Secretary of Sri Developents of Solapur, Honorable Sri B.B. Thome Sahib, Chief Inaugurator of this inaugural function and keynote address, Honorable Dr. D.D. Pawar sir, respected Principal of this college, Dr. Mahadev Bhavani sir, respected Vice Principal, Professor Sadashiv Shinde sir, who is also PM coordinator of this college, convener, respected and IPSC coordinator, HOD of Physics Department, Dr. Arjun Yadav sir, Honorary Secretary, Dr. Renuka Lodi madam, Joint Honorary Secretary, Dr. Nishant Kumar sir, committee members, faculties from for this international conference, 2 days international conference. I am here to introduce Senior Professor Dr. D.D. Pawar sir. He is currently serving as in charge registrar of Swami Ramanatha Marathwada University, Nanded. He also working as Senior Professor and former Director of School of Mathematical Science of the same university. Dr. Pawar has been actively engaged in teaching, research and academic administration for several years. His major research interests include cosmology, modified theories of gravity, fractional calculus and integral transform. Through his dedicated research work, he has made significant contribution to advancement of mathematical sciences. He has published more than 150 research papers in reputed national and international journals. Under his supervision, 10 research scholars have successfully completed their PhD degree. 9 students have been awarded MPhil degree, contributing to development of young researchers in the field of mathematics. In recognition of his outstanding contributions to the cosmology and modified theories of gravity, Dr. Pawar sir has recently been elected as Fellow of the Royal Astronomical Society, London, one of the most prestigious international scientific society. Apart from his academic achievements, Dr. Pawar sir has also held several important administrative responsibilities. He served as member of Management Council, member of Academic Council, Chairman of Board of Studies, playing vital role in academic planning and policy development in the higher education. For his excellence administrative leadership, he has also been honored with Best Director Award by our university. Dr. Pawar has actively participated in international academic activities and has visited several countries including Thailand, Switzerland, France, Bulgaria for conference, academic meetings and research collaborations. He has also established international academic collaborations with prestigious institutions such as Aristotle University, Greece, King Saud University, Saudi Arabia, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose University, Delhi. In recognition of his remarkable contribution in the field of higher education and technology, he has been honored with prestigious Kasmade Bhushan Award. He also serving as member of RAC, BOS of several universities, including Swami Ramanatha Marathwada University, Nanded, Savitribai Phule University, Pune, Kavitri Vainabai Chaudhary North Maharashtra University, Zalgaon, Rashtra Sant Tukadoji Maharaj Nagpur University, Nagpur, Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Through his academic leadership, research excellence and administrative contribution, Senior Professor Dr. D.D. Pawar sir continues to inspire students, researchers and academicians in the field of mathematical sciences. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now, I request our esteemed inaugurator, Professor Dr. Nyaneshwar Pawar sir, to kindly deliver the inaugural address and enlighten us with his valuable thoughts.
all the dignitaries on the dais, respected President of today's inaugural function of the International Conference, respected Sri B.B. Thombe sir. He was also the advisory board member of our IQAC of SRTMU. Last time I was worked with him and I have seen his energy at that time also. Principal of the college, Professor Mahadev Gawade sir. He is also working as a management council member of our university. He always in support of university administration and also interested to have the academic excellence. Vice President, Principal of the college, Professor Shinde sir. Convener of this conference, Professor Yadav sir. Co-convener and head of the Department of Mathematics, Professor Mahesh Wagwe sir. And Secretary of this conference, Professor Gondeman, and all participants, I heartily welcome to all of you. First of all, formally I declare that today's international conference has been inaugurated. It's a great pleasure for me and honor for me to be an inaugurator of this such a wonderful and international kind of event. Definitely it is a pride moment for me, and I deeply express my thanks to the all organizing committee members as well as principal and convener of this conference. Dear friends, organizing an international event, it is not an easy task. You know that. International conference is just like as one of the marriage ceremony in our house. As compared to the marriage ceremony, it is also one of the difficult tasks, because to organize the event with their respective schedules, to have the different kinds of acceptance from the different experts, as well as to all the administrative activities they have done within. I thought that it is working from last 3-4 months, and today's success is definitely the hard work of the team members of this committee. Dear friends, such kind of international events provides us the opportunity to interact with the experts. Many times what happens, we see some names on the paper, research papers, or some books, because some of the authors, we only observe their names on the books or on the research papers, but we never met them. This is the opportunity. Such kind of platforms gives you the opportunity to interact with them physically, to discuss with them, to have some ideas, because many times what happens, small idea will ignite your minds. These kind of conferences, when you attended the paper presentation session, definitely you will get some ideas for your future prospects also. One time when I have attended one conference, I have given the talk there in one national conference, but that conference was on fractional differential equation. Basically, I did my work on the theory of relativity and modified theories of gravitation and all this. But when I was attended that conference, I thought that why I should not work on this topic also. From that day, I have decided to do the work on the fractional differential equation. Then I started one optional paper in my MSc syllabus, as well as I have taken up to that level. I don't know anything about the fractional differential equation. I learned that topic, started that paper, organized some workshops, and now 3 students awarded. My 3 research students awarded in that research area. I got the idea only because of that conference. So definitely this international kind of events will use many different ideas. Dear friends, this is the conference of 3 different subjects. Actually these are the 3 different subjects, but they are related with each other. Means all these three subjects are related with the mathematical sciences actually. Before the NAP, we have the different groups: biological sciences, mathematical sciences, zoology is optional for mathematics, botany is optional for physics, like that. Such kind of combination were there. But nowadays there is no any boundaries are there. But these three subjects are within one single family members. Physics. Physics means the physics studies the laws of nature. And laws of nature study with the help of language of mathematics. Language of code of markers. Just by using the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Many laws of physics studied with the help of this code of markers, and that is actually the language of mathematics. Mathematics provides the fundamental base for all these develop or solve the different complex problems, solve the complex situations with the help of logic and reasoning and algorithms with the help of mathematics. Means all these subjects are always dependent with each other. AI as well as machine learning, all these tools are basically fundamentally provided by mathematicians. You know that Google page ranking, when we search on Google, when we search something on Google, at that time we observe that first 10 pages, 20 pages are related with our search. Directly related with search, actually Google having more than thousands of pages. But out of that thousands of pages, first 10 to 20 pages are related with directly our whatever we want to search on that Google. That is only because of some idea of mathematics. That idea, that algorithm was provided by one of the Indian mathematicians. You must know that. Same thing when we talk about the password, when we talk about the online transactions, at that time we use the password, we use some OTPs. Our password, our OTP is not hacked only because of some mathematical background. Many of you are aware about that, the prime numbers. Yes, those are not belongs to directly mathematics. They also know the prime numbers at the time of their school education. At that time, they don't know what is the use of that prime numbers because they very difficult kind of task to identify the prime numbers and composite numbers. And it is also difficult task for mathematician to find out the prime numbers after 1000, 2000 like that. It is very difficult task. And after some extent, it is not possible to obtain the prime numbers with the help of some supercomputers also. And that when prime numbers were investigated, at that time no one can think about that such kind of application will be there. But nowadays, that prime numbers play very important role in the form of online transaction or the protection of that OTPs and passwords. That's why I surely and guaranteed that no one can hijack your password. No one can track that password because of only the algorithm in terms of prime number. That is again one of the special talk that will take at least half an hour or 1 hour to discuss about that topic. But such kind of application with the help of physics, mathematics, always physics and mathematics are correlated with each other. Computer science is developed with the help of mathematical logic. So this kind of opportunity provided by Shahu College to all of you to have the collaboration of the all researchers from different subjects, physics, mathematics and computer science. When all these researchers sit together, definitely they will create the new ideas and new kind of innovations and research. Within 2 days of this academic feast, all of you will enjoy and definitely you will take some ideas for your future work also. With this few words, I wish my best wishes for all the participants and definitely you will enjoy these 2 days and you will get some ideas. So with this few words, I'll stop here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. Now, I invite our chairperson, Honorable Shri B.B. Thomre sir, to give us presidential address.
Today chief guest, Honorable Kumar sir, Registrar of our university, Honorable Gamane sir, our principal, Honorable Sindhe sir, dignitaries on the dais, HODs, all participants, students and friends. This is a golden opportunity for me. We have among you first time after taking the charge of Secretary of Shiva Chhatrapati Shikshan Samstha. And I am very much pleased to be here for an important subject for an international conference on basic science, physics, mathematics, computer, which is the real need of the world and the society. Basically, I am a student of commerce and business administration. But since last 50 years, what I learned in the business experience, mathematics is the mother of all science. Nothing can be possible without mathematics. Either it is a physics, chemistry, economics, computer, business administration. And the combination of your today's program, seminar, physics, mathematics and computer science, I think it is a need of the time. And as Honorable Bhavane sir has explained about the very bright historical data of our Chhatrapati Shikshan Samstha as well as Shahu College, which is autonomous and a unique college in the Marathwada region. Lot of experiments have been done by the management, by the principals and the staff since last 60-70 years. And this glory of success has achieved with the day and night efforts by the staff, society and the management. Now it is a real task for the staff, management of the institute to retain at this glorious stage. Not even that. We have to develop our achievements, we have to go ahead and ahead. But I think now our direction should be now in the way of applied sciences. Now theory has to be applied for the betterment of the society. And these three subjects, which are mainly related for the basic sciences, now in businesses and industries, now we see that computerization has become an essential part of the success of the industry. Since last 5 years, we are hearing the word which Honorable Chief Guest has explained about the AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning. That AI concept has now reached to the farmer's farm, and we have started the sugarcane cultivation with AI, and which have made a miracle success, where a farmer was cultivating sugarcane and getting yield of 40 to 50 ton per acre. Now with the help of the AI, that has crossed 100 ton per acre. And this is basic sciences. And my request to our Honorable Principal and team of all the staff that now innovation should come. Now laboratory research, laboratory experiment should go to the field, it should go to the society, and it should create some better chances for the betterment of Indian life. Since last 15 days, we have heard a lot about this America, Israel and Iran war. Though the war is far thousands of kilometers away from India, but every household has suffered because of the war, and we are getting huge shortage of fuel and specifically the cooking gas, LPG. My request to the students, research students and our staff also, you should have some innovative ideas how we can replace the use of LPGs. How we can have self-sufficiency in generating the resources from our indigenous raw material, from our Indian agricultural waste. And we are doing all these experiments in industry, that we have developed the technology from creating the bio-CNG, which is a substitute for fossil fuel CNG from the agricultural waste, from the industrial waste, from the municipal waste. So the research which we are having in under four walls, that research should go to the society, it should contribute for the betterment of their life, and that is the next step for our Shahu College has to do. Every research student should have his views, how he can develop the new concepts, how he can replace the existing imported technologies, imported fossil fuel, and how we can become a dream of our Prime Minister, Atmanirbhar Bharat. I think this can be possible. It is a very great history of the Shahu College. There are so many talented people are working in world with the Infosys and with all the reputed institute, and there they are giving very good services. So this approach now we have to develop it. I will request our principal sir that you have such type of competition among the research students, that let them develop some apps, let them develop some equipments which will be applicable for the society. Now we are thinking very seriously about how to overcome the shortage of LPG, because most of the news have come in the newspaper and the TV media that hostels of the students have been closed down. There is no gas to cook the kitchen. There are so many big hotels, they have stopped the kitchens. So under such circumstances, we have to develop some technologies. Yesterday only I have discussions with some media people, and I told them that old ancient technology which was used in our rural areas, that was gobar gas. Every farmer was having gobar gas with his house. Whatever the cow dung he was collecting, he was putting to the gobar gas, and they were getting the gas and they were using it for cooking as well as lighting and for even electricity for the pumping the water also. So why not we go for that technology? Now we have hostels, so we have a lot of kitchen waste, we have a lot of green waste, vegetable waste. So that can be used, and now I have taken the initiative for the government of Maharashtra. Yesterday I had a call from Chief Secretary that you have to do something immediately, and I have called some manufacturers. They have ready-made biogas plant having capacity of 2 meter cube to 100 meter cube capacity, and that biogas plants can be put to all these hostels, canteen, mess, big hotels, and whatever the waste, food waste, and this garden waste will be collected and it will feed to that biogas plant, and you will get a sufficient gas for cooking, at least for the kitchen. So such type of new concepts should come up, because nowadays we cannot overcome the computer science. Computer has become a soul of the all developments, soul of the industry, and that's why these three subjects, physics, mathematics and computer science, they three subjects to go in hand, and they should develop new technologies, new concepts which will serve the society, and society will have a definitely good livelihood with the research and this one. As a institute management, I assure you, for all sort of financial help, all sort of administrative help, and all sort of freedom to do all sort of research, all technologies to be developed, and our students, our researchers should shine throughout the India, and that will be a real achievement of our Rajarshi Shahu Shikshan Institute. I thank you for the organizers giving me the opportunity for expressing my thoughts among you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. I'm sure we all will stand true to your expectations. Now I request Dr. Renuka Londeman, Organizing Secretary and Head Department of Computer Science, to present vote of thanks.
Good morning, all of you. Honorable President of today's function, Sri B.B. Khomre sir, our esteemed innovator, Professor Dr. Dhaneshwar Pawar sir, Chief Organizer and Principal of our college, Dr. Mahadev Gawani sir, distinguished guests and fellow researchers. As the Organizing Secretary of International Conference on Development in Physical Sciences, Mathematical Sciences and Computational Sciences 2026, it is my privilege to propose the formal vote of thanks on this important occasion. We are deeply grateful to Sri B.B. Khomre sir, Secretary of Shri Chhatrapati Shikshan Sanstha, for his presidential address and for always providing a visionary path for our institution. A special thanks to Dr. Dhaneshwar Pawar sir, in charge Registrar, SRKU University Nanded, for gracing us with his presence and delivering an enlightening inaugural address that has set a high standard for this conference. My sincere thanks to the leadership and the chief organizer, Dr. Mahadev Gawani sir, and joint organizer, Professor Shinde sir, for their constant motivation and for directing this international platform. We express our heartfelt gratitude to the PM Usha grants to strengthen college's scheme. Their sponsorship has been instrumental in making this international gathering a reality. I would like to acknowledge our convener, Dr. Abhijit Yadav, Head of the Department of Physics and Electronics, IQAC Coordinator, for his insightful concept note. My thanks also to our co-convener, Dr. Manish Bhavre, and the entire dedicated team from the Departments of Physics and Electronics, Mathematics, and Computer Science for their tireless efforts in organizing this event. Finally, I thank all the delegates and participants who have joined us for these 2 days, March 16th and 17th. Your presence is what makes this academic exchange meaningful. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. With the permission of Chair, I here declare that today's inaugural function is over. Technical session is continuing here. Please be seated here only. Within 5 minutes, our technical session first will begin.